Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Country Walk local and long distance movers near me. Any move above 50 miles from your current location is a long distance move. Regardless of how far your destination is, the 3 Movers is well equipped to make your move stress free and successful. We have highly organized movers. They draw out a plan that contains every detail of the move and follow it strictly. Your belongings are in safe hands because our movers are cautious. They arrange, load, and secure them properly into the trucks. Our moving trucks are ideal for long-distance travel. They are of the best quality and are well maintained. For moves less than 50 miles, we are your best choice. Although local moves are easier to execute, a solid moving plan is needed. Our local moving services are fast, efficient, and affordable. We are the best urgent movers in Country Walk FL. Ask the locals. They are our biggest clients. Our local movers are also the cheapest you can find. Our hourly rate is about $30 to $40. We have a fantastic insurance policy that covers risk throughout the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Country Walk moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.